In this video, I show you how to fix system EY keep stopping app info closure problem on your Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on search icon, search for system EY. If this is not showing, click on three dot, then click on show system app. Now tap on system EY, force stop, then tap on storage and cache, clear cache. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Then click on reset apps. Now find out Google Play service. Tap on Google Play service. Tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now restart your phone. Now tap on restart. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix system EY keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.